our foreigners is not going to home. They're gonna stay here. Why Master Safika is complaining for foreigners? He said must go home, must go home. Why is go to home? Master Safika is not like job. Master Safika is not like business. You like sauce. You like nyaupe. So why is complaining? He said, yeah, Master Safika can must go. He said, yeah, every foreigners must go. Every foreigners must go. Foreigners, you like business. You like job. That's why a white person, you like my foreigners. That's why my white person is not like my South Africans. You understand? So why is complaining? He said must go, must go. I'm not going anywhere. You're gonna stay here forever. Why is complaining my foreigners? Huh? Why is complaining for my foreigners? Don't do like that. It's not good. In the name of Jesus, foreigners is not must go. You're gonna stay here forever. I'm not going somewhere. Or schools is not closing. Why are you closing for school? My children every day is going to school. People you tell lying for my group. He said, I gonna fire. Hey, school is gonna fire. Hey, business is not fired. It's not fired. Never. Every country is foreigners. Or Zambia is my foreigners. My South Africa is there. Or Malawi, my South Africa is there. Or Tanzania, my South Africa is there. Which one is complaining? He said my South Africa must go home. Which one is complaining? Problem, my South Africa is not going to school. Is not going to school. That family said go to school. No answer. That's why you shooting for peoples. Never. I'm not going. I'm telling you true peoples. I'm not going to home. You're gonna stay here 2030 whole. I'm not going somewhere. You going to home, you're gonna do what? After I'm going to home, you're gonna, after my house you finish. Not my house is not finish my home. I'm not going. You're gonna working here, wire. Don't tell you my guru. Don't send my message for my guru. He said, Master Safirika, hey, what? Don't like send my message for lying. I'm not for foreigners. He's not going. He's gonna stay here. I'm not going. After I'm going to home, my house is finished. My house is not finished. I'm not going. You're gonna stay here 2020 war. I'm not going somewhere. You're gonna stay here. Why you complaining for my foreigners? My foreigners, you like job. You like job, my foreigners. My South Africa, you like sauce. So why is you said you complain for my foreigners? That's why my white person, you like my foreigner. Foreigner is very, very power. It's very, very power. South Africa is no power. It's no power, foreigners. That's why with my white person, you like power. You see? That's why my white person, you like foreigners. My foreigners, you like job too much. You like business. So I can't going somewhere. I'm telling you true, peoples. I'm telling true. I'm not going somewhere. After I'm going to my home, my house, you finish day for my home. My house is not finished. I'm not going.